vlogging again. Sama ko ang aking chachi. Ayan, pauwi na kami. And here I am. Let's go. Oh. We are over this kind of things and kailangan nating maano siya. Kaso sobrang lakas ng hangin. Sobrang lamig and it was so cold every time na naggagabi. Pero sobrang lamig. I tell you that and I guarantee you it's very cold in Calatagan right now. Look at that, see? I'm training my ancestral. Oh, ligo ko lang, ligo lang. Check lagi sa ano, mag-hazard mag-signal ka. Good. Turn left here. Oh, good. Sige lang. Turn left. Yeah, that's good. See that? That's how you train the dragon. Not just kidding. Makapunta rin. Possibly, we are now going to the outstanding course. And malapit na kami from Barangay Bukal. We're just a lot of making something you know, oh nice, somewhere big modern house and that one, ewan ko, sa mga mayayaman to or mga foreigners siguro. Look at that view, that nice view in that town. Ang dami. Saan ka ba, Calatagan? Tinan mo si Chatan. Look at that. Hey. Grabe talaga. This is the best adventure lagi. Anyway, I gotta go. Babush!